Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So here we are with another New Year gift for all of you, as already announced a few days ago that we are coming up with something special for our English community as they got disappointed on 1st of January, but nothing to get disappointed. Here we are with another huge announcement for all of you on your demand only. Okay, sir, what is the announcement? We can't wait any longer. Before I make the announcement, one thing I want to make sure for the costing January batch that we are going to start from 9th of January 2023 live on YouTube free of cost. Guys, I have posted one form link on the YouTube community and on our Telegram, Telegram channel and group also it has been posted. Please fill that form because you will get the PDF questions that we are going to solve on the YouTube only if you will fill that form. Otherwise, you will not be getting the PDF questions, right? So please fill that form. And all those who want to order the handbooks, they can order it. Already we are going short on the stock. We are trying to maintain it so that you people don't have to wait for a long time because of huge orders, right? So please go for that. And the batch is going to start from 9th of January, that is tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, now what is the announcement? Sir, can you guess? Anyone who can guess what can be the announcement? So there was a huge demand of this particular course that we are going to start with. Any guesses? Any guesses? I know most of you, the English community, must have guessed it right because one course which was not available in English as of now was economics for finance. Yes, guys, economics for finance for all of you. Let's see what is the course. So we are going to start with this special course, guys. What is that? Wait a minute, I'll show you. Okay, so we are going to start with EFF Excellency Batch, and this batch is for May 2023 attempt, and if the old course extends up to November 23, it will be applicable for that also, right? So EFF Excellency Batch we are going to start, and what are the particulars of the batch? Let's quickly go through that. Subject Economics for Finance. As I told you, lectures will be free on YouTube. Yes, on your demand this has been done because a lot of people have been demanding, sir, please provide economics for finance. And also the new course is coming up. In the new course, as you all know, economics for finance will no longer be there. So it has been decided that all the lectures will provide free on YouTube. The language is going to be English as already decided because the Hindi lectures are available, already available, and those are applicable. Okay, so lectures are going to be free on YouTube, absolutely free of cost. The whole course, not the demo lecture, sir. The whole course is going to be free on YouTube. Language is going to be English, most important, as it was one of the most demanded courses that, sir, please start with economics for finance. So we are going to start with that. Fast track or in-depth, again the in-depth batch, it will be mediumly paced batch. Right? What I mean by mediumly paced batch, because in the fast track we keep the pace very high, and in the the regular batches we keep it on the slower side. It will be moderately paced batch because we have to complete it before May 2023 attempt. So it will be moderately paced. I will not be going too slow or too fast. Okay. One thing is assured, you will be able to understand each and everything. Whatever I will be going through, you will be able to understand each and everything. Start date is 16th of January 2023. We are going to start this. So save this date right now. Put the reminders on your mobile. That is very important. Yeah, that you do not forget it. Expected last date March ending, sir. By the end of the March, we are going to complete the batch. Coverage concepts. By concept means theory, right? Theory as well as the practical part. That whichever chapters contain the practical part, will cover the practical also. Okay, so live or recorded, this will be a fully recorded batch. It will not be a live batch, it will be a fully recorded batch. But here is a condition, sir. What is the condition? The condition here is that in case you people feel that a particular topic is really tough and we need to have a live batch for that, live class for that, we can arrange that accordingly, right? As per the requirement. If I, get too many requirements that, sir, please conduct a live class particularly for one topic that this is very tough, we are not able to understand in the recorded batch, we can go for that. But otherwise this will be a fully recorded batch, right? Query support will be there through email, right? And WhatsApp for the paid books. I'll tell you that. Query support is done. ICAI study material, we'll cover all the questions of the ICAI study material, all the practical questions of the ICAI study material. The other questions will automatically get covered in the theory part, right? The practical part will cover on YouTube only. The ICAI study mat, all the questions of the ICAI study mat will cover in this, right? Okay, the ICAI study material will be covered, and here I mean the practical part will get covered. Theory part will automatically get covered, sir. Theory part is covered here, right? So in the practical part, we'll be covering the ICAI study mat. ICAI study mat, and if the time allowed, if we are, if we go through the batch on time, so we'll try to cover the RTP, MTP and the previous year also for all those chapters where we have the practical part. Clear? Now, what about the lecture notes? Now, sir, how we are going to proceed with this course? This is very important, lecture notes. In this case, for this particular EFF Excellency batch, you will need to buy the handbooks of KSJ Teaching. We will be using this study material for this batch, right? Our handbooks, because the reason here is very simple, sir. What is the reason of using the handbooks? The reason is very simple. You can study from ICAI study mat. That is not at all an issue. But the problem here is that in the ICAI study mat, what they have done is they have given the things in the paragraph form, which is very difficult to read, very difficult, right? So what we have done in the handbooks is we have kept it very, very simple. We have, given it in the pointers form so that you are able to retain the concept. You are able to understand, you generate some interest. Okay, so that is very, very important. If you want to see the demo of the books, right, sample notes, you can find it on the website. Go to the website, how to buy the handbooks. Now, in this case, I will say the handbooks are necessary for this particular batch, right? That is a small investment for this batch. The lectures are going to be on YouTube, recorded or live, whatever the requirement is. More or less, it will be recorded. 99% it will be recorded. 1% we can keep it live as per the requirement. But for this, you will need the handbooks. Handbooks you will need for the EFF Excellency batch. Without handbooks, it will be difficult. It is not like you can do it, but it will be really difficult to write each and everything. Then what you will be doing? You are wasting your time, right? Then you will be wasting for your time in writing the things and not understanding what is written here. So what is important here? If you have the written thing in front of you, we are reading from that, we are understanding from that, we are explaining from that. You will, you have all your senses in hearing what is being taught, and not all your time is there in the writing part. Clear? So this is very important. Handbooks you will have to buy. And how to order the handbooks, sir? PDF handbooks will be provided? No, the PDFs handbooks will not be provided. You can order it from our website. The links are given in the video description also. Website, you all know, www.ksjteaching.org. This is the website from where you can order the economics handbooks. You will get the theory book. Okay, what you will get in the handbooks, you will get two books. One is your theory book, right? And another one that you will get is your practical book. So both the books you will get in hard copy delivered to your address. If you want the PDF, you can get it from our mobile app, but that will be of no use because that will open in mobile app only. If you're comfortable with that, then go for that. That is totally your choice, right? But that is also paid. The PDF is also paid. The handbooks are paid. So if you want to order from the website www.ksjteaching.org, and one important thing regarding the handbooks, that if you order till 11th of January midnight, you will get the discounted prices. There is a 10% discount, right? Discounted prices, 10% discount on the handbooks. Otherwise, after 11th, what will happen, sir? After 11th, the handbooks will be on MRP, right? So there will be no discounts, and please order in time, because the start date of the batch, as you all know, I have mentioned here, is 16th of January 2023. If you will order right now, only then you will get the books by 16th of January, right? Otherwise, you will get late into that. So that will again be a waste of time. So don't think much. This is a very small investment for this whole batch. And I know a lot of you must be having the question, sir, what about the financial management course in English that is already available on our mobile app? Very nominally charged, regular course covering the ICAI study mat, covering the extra questions beyond ICAI study mat, and covering the concepts. Everything is covered in that. 3,540 is the price for mobile view, and for laptop view it is a little bit higher because that has extra cost, right? That is already available on our app. And for EFF, I have already told you, EFF Excellency Batch. So this was the huge announcement from my side that we will be going again on YouTube, not live, but recorded, but you will get the lectures on YouTube. And the costing batch, as you all know, is going to be live from 9th of January, right? So let me know in the comment section how many of you are joining in this EFF Excellency Batch and you want to clear in the next attempt. That May 2023 attempt, sir, we are going to clear all our exams, whether it is financial management, whether it is economics or finance. And this was the only course which was not available in English, right? So on the demand of you guys only, I've come up with this EFF Excellency Batch. The only thing is that you need the handbooks, the KSJ handbooks you will need with this particular batch, which you can order. I have already told you that you can order from our website www.ksjteaching.org. Approximate delivery time will be 7 to 8 days depending upon the rush, right? The rush will be there, and a few holidays, a few festivals are coming in between. The few holidays will be there, right? 13th will be a holiday, 13th, 14th, I think 2-3 days will be a holidays and Sunday. So it will take time. So order in time. And from 16th, see you guys on YouTube. And all those who are joining the costing batch also, please don't be late. 8:30 p.m. sharp, we will be starting with the costing batch free live on YouTube in Hindi. That is a Hindi batch, right? And in English, this was the only course which was not done, sir. And here we are. Okay, so let me know in the comment section who all are really excited and happy and who all are going to share with your friends, which is very, very important. If you are not going to share it with your friends, then what is the fun? Right? And if you have not subscribed to the channel as of now, please subscribe to the channel, because here you are getting costing, financial management, economics or finance, all the lectures, quality at the most affordable prices, right? And whatever the announcement I made in the very beginning for the costing batch, please remember that, guys. Go to the YouTube community right now or the Telegram group and channel. I have posted the form link. Only then you will get the PDFs. Okay, guys. So this was all from my side. This was what I wanted to share with you people. Now it's your turn to share with all your friends, right? So bye-bye, guys. All the best. See you guys in the live batch of costing and the recorded batch of economics or finance on YouTube. And I hope you all will be doing good and prepare well for your exams. Bye-bye. Take care.